Alright guys, so I got another product to share with you guys. This is from EcoFlow, and this is their new alternator charger. So this is going to be a 3-in-1 charge and care solution. This is going to be installed in your vehicle, like an RV or a van, truck, something like that. And this is going to turbocharge your power stations when you're on the go. So pretty much what this is going to do for you guys that aren't aware, when you try to charge, say, one of your Delta power stations in a vehicle, at least for mine, when I plug it into an AC in my vehicle, it won't even charge. It just clicks. It won't even charge. So I have to use the actual 12-volt plug, and you're only getting about 100 watts with that. So what this alternator charger does is it allows you to turbocharge or fast charge your Delta power stations up to 800 watts. So 8 times faster than, say, your 12-volt power source in your vehicle. This also is a 3-in-1, so it can do 3 things. This can charge your Delta power stations. It can reverse charge, so it can pull power from your Delta and charge your vehicle battery, or it can be used as a maintainer for your battery. So that's where the 3-in-1 comes in. Super easy to install. I got everything laid out on the table right here, and there's really only 3 main components. Here's a look at the alternator charger. Along with that, you're going to get power and negative wire that is fused, and then you're going to get a cable to run from the alternator charger to a Delta device. They also do provide you with a mounting bracket if you wanted to permanently mount the EcoFlow Alternator Charger, and they give you some hardware with that. And then also they give you this key, which if you lose this key, you might be in trouble, because this key is used to unplug your connections to the alternator charger. So just another really cool product from EcoFlow. Super easy to install. This is going to be a perfect setup for you guys to be able to fast charge your EcoFlow devices while driving from point A to point B. Alright guys, so before we do the install, I got the power and negative cable ran along the floor here with the measuring tape, just to give you guys an idea of how much you're going to get. So we got 17 foot right here. So you got your power reaches 17 foot, your negative is a little bit shorter. So depending on the length of your vehicle, that's what you have to work with. So a nice generous amount of cable there to be able to run from your battery to wherever you want to mount your alternator charger. Alright guys, so real easy to hook up. You're just going to go to your battery. You're going to run the negative or the black wire to your negative post, the red wire to your positive post. There's the inline fuse there just in case something does happen. And that's it. The rest of this wire here, you're going to run inside your vehicle, obviously, to wherever you're going to place your alternator charger. I'm not going to bore you guys with that because I have a Dodge Ram. Everybody has different vehicles, so the procedure is going to be different for every vehicle. We're going to go ahead and plug this up, and I'm going to show you guys how this works. Alright guys, so you're going to take the cable that's coming from your battery in your car, and on the alternator charger, I don't know if you guys can see that, but actually you can't really plug these in wrong. Each one is a different plug. So we're going to go ahead and plug this into where the car is. Now the second cable that you get with this is what's going to plug in from your alternator charger to, say, your Delta power station. And those went ahead and locked in place. That's where this key is going to come in. So if you guys lose this key, you might be kind of harder to get these plugs off. You have to slide that key to push away these prongs. So it's kind of, I don't know if you guys can see that, but you slide that in there, and then it allows you to pull this cable out. But without the key, you're going to have a hard time doing that. So I kind of like how they made it so secure, but also if you lose that key, you're going to be having a heck of a time getting this off, because these 2 prongs on each side here actually need to be spread apart. Alright guys, so I got the alternator charger ran to the Delta, and my truck's not even started right now, but we're looking at about 600 watts of input. So already more input than what I would get with the 12 volt plug. So there's the app. This does have an app just like all the other EcoFlow devices, and you will have to download it to get all the features. There is at the bottom there, operating modes, your charge, reverse charge, and then the battery maintenance that I talked about earlier. I'm gonna go ahead and start up the truck and see if we can get this up to 800. All right guys, so as you can hear, got the truck started. We'll see what this gets up to. And there you go, 800 right on the dot. So we're charging at 800, and it's saying it's going to take 55 minutes to charge this. Right now it's at 45%. See what the app says. There's the app, 800 watts. So pretty cool, guys. All working off of this alternator charger. And like it says, you're just running your positive and negative to your battery. Of course, you're going to want to have your car running to get the full 800. All right, guys, so there you go. A quick rundown of the EcoFlow Alternator Charger. Great way to fast charge your Delta power stations when on the go. Really like this product. Super easy to install with the 2-wire connection, positive and negative. Everything plugs right in, can't screw that up. And then the app works flawlessly as usual. Make sure that you do an update on your Delta power stations before you hook this up. I got an error code when I first hooked this up, and it was because I did not upgrade the firmware on my Delta power station back there. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I'll make sure I put some links in the description box below. But let me know what you guys think about this new innovative product by EcoFlow, the Alternator 3-in-1 battery charge and care solution. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.